Today we are looking at stocks you might want to add to your watch list for the week. These are keyless stocks for our VIPs, but these are also stocks, some of them are already owned, but they might have present opportunity to make money this week. But if not, great education in the video will help you become a better stock investor. What to look for, both fundamentally and technically. First stock on the list is Spotify, SPOT. It's already broken out. We bought some and we added to it on Friday. If it takes out the highs of this bar, which is the high on this bar is 653.32. You don't need to go 20 cents higher, just to 10 cents or whatever. Round it up. 653.40. 653.40 could be a potential buy. Now, it is a little bit extended in price. And again, we own lower. So if you don't own it, if you buy, go smaller to lessen risk. That's very important, okay? Just give you the lowdown on this. Stock is in group number 10, top 10 groups. Composite rating is 99, B accumulation distribution, relative strength is 97. All these are the things we look for to build a case, and you can see they voted for it on Friday. I used to say this at the IBD meetups for years. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. We go where they're voting. And how's it measured? Price action combined with volume. So there's one stock to watch. Here's the next one for us. Carpenter Technologies, group number 22, A+ rated group, BSMR, A- accumulation distribution, composite rating, 99. 99, love that. Timeliness, A. Last quarter's earnings up 58%. That's nice. Relative strengths leading the stock near new high ground for this move. And it started to lift up on Thursday, followed through on Friday on above average volume. You can see these clean tops across here, right in here. If this takes out the highs, that could be a new buy or an add-on at 215.30. You can say, now, how did you get that? Watch the H right here. Don't do anything else, but please watch this. The high on this bar is 215.25. It doesn't need to be a dime higher, okay? I've been doing this for years. You don't need to be a dime higher. Just round up to the next round number. 215.30 could be a buy on Carpenter Technologies. And again, it's got good numbers. This is what I love. Composite rating of 99, A- accumulation distribution. I love that. Let's move on to the next one. Pathword Financial's got a great big cup with a handle right here. You can see this and I'll draw it to help you.
Hey everybody, it's Owen here. You know me, I'm not about hype, but I do pay attention when something truly valuable is on the table. And this Wednesday night, May 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern, I think you're going to want to be there. Richard Moglen is joining Pat Walker for a live conversation about the market, trading strategy, and what it really takes to succeed. Richard's interviewed over 100 of the most successful traders out there. He knows what works, what fails, and how to stay focused in uncertain markets. They're going to cover how top traders structure their routines, the most common mistakes people make, and how to avoid them, and the mindset that separates serious traders from the rest. It's real insight, no filler, just two sharp minds talking shop, and you're invited to listen in. So again, Wednesday, May 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern. Head over to youtube.com, Admission Winners, hit subscribe, and be there when it starts. Because when the market opens, it's not waiting. It rewards preparation. I'll see you there.
Right along there. Lifted up here. What was the catalyst for this big lift? They had earnings. They had good earnings. But more importantly, remember this, folks. It is not the news. It is the reaction to the news that counts. Earnings per share rank 96. It's in the top 40 groups. ASMR, B- accumulation distribution. Composite ratings 97. Timeliness is A. Relative strength is 91. Lifted up, it needs to take out the highs of this bar. The high on this bar is 82.15, 82.20. In a good market with volume, could be a buy on Pathword Financial. How about that?
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.